A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Greetings. Welcome back to this channel where every day at 5 a.m. there's a reading from the Jamaican New Testament. My name is Christine Gooden Benguchhe. Check the details below to learn more about me. Remember to like or subscribe to this channel and share with your family and your friends. This morning, I'm going to read to you from Mark chapter 10, 17 to 25, about the rich man and Jesus. When Jesus did both feel left out, one man run up to him, go down upon him knee and ask him, say, "Good teacher, what me must do if me want live forever?" Jesus asked him, say, "What make you call me good? Nobody no good, only God one. You don't know what Moses law say? No kill, no sleep with nobody what you not married to, no thief, no tell lie upon people, no trick people fi take what them have. Respect your father and mother and do what them say." The man answer me say, "Teacher, from me a little boy, me follow all of them there with all of my heart." Jesus looked upon him and loved him and said to him, say, "Only one thing you shatter. Go sell everything where you have and give the money to the poor people them, and you will rich in a heaven. When you do that, come follow me." When the man hear what Jesus say, him heart drop and him go sad, cause him did well rich. Then Jesus look round and said to him follower them, say, "The hardest thing for rich people go in a God kingdom." Him follower them shock when them did hear that. So Jesus said to them again, "Picnic, it really hard to go in a God kingdom. It easier for one camel go through one eagle eye than for somebody where rich go in a God kingdom." A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.